back to my channel. So I got a topic for you. So this video, as you can tell by the title, is just something random that I just always wanted to know, like why girls don't like other girls. Stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you why I think girls don't like me. So yeah, let me give you a little background story about me. So I'm goofy, I'm funny. Well, people think I'm funny, and I used to hoop. Like, I'm an all-around cool person. So growing up, like, I was a tomboy. Like, I always play with the boys. I always be on the field playing football with the boys, running around with the boys. Like, I remember one day specifically in elementary school, like, I had on this jogging outfit and we was on a field trip, and I purposely sagged my pants to try to be like the boys. But anyway, like I said, I'm always hanging around boys. Boys, like, you know, we was always cool. But I also hooped back in the day. Solid. But yeah, so I was a hoop back in the day. So I feel like that was also something that also made me a little bit of a tomboy. But here's what I came up with. One, females don't like females because they feel intimidated by the other female. Whether it's being they're cute, or they got money, or whatever it may be, they're intimidated by that female. And two, they boyfriend or the boy they like, or the guy they like, is on that certain female. So, for example, dudes are always on me just solely off the fact that, like, I'm a cool person. And then also, like, I used to hoop, so, like, that's a guy's thing. Hooping is a guy's thing. But I feel like girls just don't like me because, like, dudes always be in my face. I'm not even trying to be cocky or nothing. I'm talking about always in my face. And I feel like it be guys that they like they be in my face more so they be in their face. So that's one of the reasons why I feel like girls just don't like me. I'm a cool person, and girls are like stuck up, stingy, like snobby. I mean, I can be that too, but all around, like I said, I'm a tomboy, so I'm used to being around guys. So, like, it's just like second nature to me. Girls be mad because they do be in my face and they want them to be in their face. I honestly feel like that's what it is. And then also, like, I like to think I'm pretty good looking, right?
Boy, if you don't get...
When it comes to pretty girls being cool with other pretty girls, it just don't happen. Like, I could be looking at a girl walking by, and I'd be like, oh my, I'm thinking in my head, like, she is so pretty. But her perception of me is like, I'm staring at her. So she automatically go get defenses like, what's she staring at? What's she staring at? And then automatically on tip. Then I'm gonna be on tip. And then, you know what I'm saying? That's like, it causes friction. It's stupid. And then all girls just aren't nice. And they just not nice. Low key, I'm gonna just get straight to the point. Females are jealous of other females. They can't get no female credit when it's due. Like, when it's due, like, period. If you pretty, I'm gonna let you know you pretty. And it's just that. But we as females are so competitive. Females, I have a lot of guy friends. Probably like 1 or 2 friends that are girls. I swear to God. I swear. Yeah, I want more female friends. I want to go out with other females instead of always going out with guys and stuff. Like, I don't like that. Guys over there popping bottles and the girls over here being prissy, but because I only got guy friends, I'm over there popping bottles with the dudes. But yeah. But females just don't like me. But that's what I think why females don't like females and why females personally don't like me. So I'm gonna try to upload videos every week. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I'm trying this YouTube thing out. It's gonna get better. Y'all wait and stay tuned.